Now, human beings are part of nature in a sense. They're part of nature in the sense that they are creatures among creatures of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And in part, they are material and biological being. In Aristotelian logic, which studied in Islamic seminaries as well, human beings are differentiated from other beings through their specific difference, which is rational. But according to Quran, and rationality is in Arabic translated as nutq. But in Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala clearly states that He has given nutq to every creature, everything. Even though this level of rationality is different in different creatures. So that's not what makes human beings different from other creatures. And basically, as creatures, human beings are the same as everything else. Obviously, there are different type of creatures, but that's not what makes them different in their essence. Because essence of human being is not rationality. Essence of human being is the fact that they are creatures of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's the essence of everything, and in that, human beings are no different from other beings. That's a basic Quranic conception, basic Islamic conception. So, as against Aristotelian logic, the essence of human being is not rationality. Their essence is they're being creatures. And this essence they share with everything else, everything in the universe except for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.